Hello, in today's video I'm gonna make this cute bracelet, and the things that I'm gonna use are pliers, scissors, fishing line. This is the size. I have some beads, and I'm gonna use just basic silver plated lobster claw, some ends, crimp ends, and then I have some jump rings in here. I got these from Amazon, and I will link everything that I use in the description box. We're gonna start with cutting some fishing line, and I am taking about 80 centimeters, and I'm just folding it over and making sure that both the ends are the same length. And then I'm gonna take the other end and I'm gonna put the fold over crimp end on it. And the way I do it, I kind of like wrap it around and then just put each end of the fishing line in each corner. And then I take my pliers and I just start folding the sides down, and I always do it like halfway through. So I do like a little triangle, and then I just keep folding down. And now we can start beading. So we're gonna start with the daisy first. We're gonna take one bead and pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so, and just pull the ends of the fishing line and drag it down. And now we're going to take 4 same color beads and put 2 on each end of the fishing line, like so. And then we're going to take the middle bead, which I'm going to use the golden one, and put both ends of the fishing line through the golden bead and just drag it down. And this is how it currently looks. Now we're going to take these 2 ends, we're going to fold it over, take one end of the fishing line, put through one side of the 2 beads, and then take the other side of the fishing line and put through the other 2 beads. And then we just pull the ends and it tightens it up nicely. And now we take one bead of the same color and we do like we did the first one. Each end of the fishing line to the opposite side of the bead. And just drag it down. And we have made the daisy. Now we're gonna take 8 beads of different color and put 4 beads on each end of the fishing line. And just drag it down. And now we're going to do the daisy again. So we're going to take one bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. And just drag it down. And this is how it looks right now. Now we take 4 beads of the same color and put 2 beads on each end of the fishing line. Take the golden bead, put both ends of the fishing line through the golden bead. Drag it down, fold it over, one end of the fishing line through the left side 2 beads, and put the other side of the fishing line through the right side 2 beads, and just pull it so it tightens up. Now we take the same color, we put one end of the fishing line through one side of the bead and the other end through the other side of the bead. And drag it down. So again, you take 8 beads in a different color and put 4 beads on each end of the fishing line. Like so. Let them go down, and we start beading the daisy again. And I will just do the whole bracelet and then show you how I finish it up. I have finished beading the bracelet. I'm just going to quickly put the ends on, and the way I do it, I take the crimp end and just put the fishing line on it, and now I fold down as I did in the beginning, just like halfway each side, and then once the triangle is there, I just fold to the very end. Just tight it so it's nice and tight. Cut off the ends, and now now I'm just gonna put the jump rings on. Take one, open it, put the bracelet on, put the lobster claw on, close it, open the other one, put the other end and close it, and that's our bracelet done. Everything that I used I will link in the description box, and this is the final result. Don't mind my bracelets, but I think it's super cute. It even looks really nice with the ones that I have on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos all the time. I am on this phase that I'm doing these daisy bracelets a lot, but I will definitely start bringing different beaded items and wire items and anything that I really make. So yeah, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.